Yo, what's good with y'all, man? I hope y'all having a great day. It's a beautiful day outside, as y'all can see. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping. Man, God bless everybody. God woke y'all up to see this video, so y'all should be thanking him for that, first of all. But anyway, man, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a tutorial for y'all. And the tutorial is obviously going to be how to take plasti dip off of your tires, you know what I'm saying? So I know y'all be struggling with that. I know I was struggling with it at first. I looked up some videos. I couldn't really find much. Like, they were telling me to use different things, but it's actually a lot simpler than y'all think. Ugh, I can't talk. But anyway, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to go from this to this. See what I'm saying? So in case y'all want to do like a different color or something like that, or if you just want to rock the, you know, the regular look, then I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to do that. As always, bro, make sure y'all leave a like, comment if you want to, and subscribe, because that really helps this channel, you know what I'm saying? Like I said before, we're doing a giveaway at 1,000 subs, so make sure y'all go ahead and do that, man. You don't want to miss out. All right, so first things first, you know what I'm saying? Hold up, I'm going to the wrong tire. Like I said, don't mind this. I'm gonna get that fixed, so don't even be on my head top. Anyway, all you gotta do, obviously, if you wanna wear gloves, if you don't wanna dirty your hands up, then you can do that, or you can just wipe it first. Yeah. But all you do is, that truck is so loud. Guys, bro, when my package coming, huh? That's what I thought. All you're gonna do is just start, you know, scratching on the outside. And sometimes I know y'all be putting the plasti dip on kind of light. Like, you'll put it on and it won't be enough layers, so it'll be kind of hard to peel off in one go. So what I recommend is to get some rubbing alcohol and try to, you know, rub it off, because if you try to do it with your finger, it's gonna obviously burn. But yeah, you just want to go around this, you know, quite a bit, like I'm doing right now. And this is not hard, guys. This is not hard at all. Like, it's just literally just, you know, getting around the edges. And once you do that, you can start to peel it down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I would say get a little bit of water, so that way you can get a little grip, you know what I'm saying? But you want to just apply a little bit of pressure, and it should come down. It takes a little time though, but it's way better than going to go get somebody to, you know, spray it off or whatever for like $300. But as you can see, that's all you got to do is just start to rub it down like this, and it comes right off. And then once you get a big enough, you know, piece, you can start to pull it. Like, you know what I'm saying? You can pull it down just like this, and it comes off nice and easy. You feel me? And just like that, boom, starting to come off. And you can see that the old look is starting to be revealed. Make sure you don't let that stuff fly away either. This is like rubbery material, so you don't want it to get on the ground and then, you know, like birds eat it or something. I don't know. All right, so as y'all can see, my hands are dirty. I'm about halfway done. And like I said before, just, you know, just keep on with this technique right here, and it comes off really quick. Well, not too quick, but you know what I mean. It comes off really easy. It just takes a little time because the pieces keep breaking and stuff, you know, and you have to go around it. So just continue pulling down, and you'll find your own technique, you know what I'm saying? Like, as you're going, you'll be able to find like where's the certain sweet spots and stuff to get it off, because like I said, sometimes you can put like too thin of a layer on and it'll be really hard to get off. So what I do is I just rub side to side, go down a little bit, side to side, down, side to side, you know, and it comes off easy just like that. All right, man, as y'all can see, I'm coming up on the last part. And like I said before, bro, I don't need none of that extra stuff, bro, because I'm a gremlin. I don't need none of that, bro. It only took me like an hour and 10 minutes just to get all this off. Actually, I don't even think it took that long because honestly, I started at like 12:37, and it's now one. Never mind. Yeah, it took me like an hour. It's literally 1:32. But still, bro, like doing it the other way will still take you the same amount of time. That's why I say I don't need like all that extra stuff, bro. It's just I feel like it's a waste of products. You see that, bro? Like it's simple. As long as you're not scared to get your hands dirty, you good. This is a nice and easy process. And that is it, bro. Man. I mean, I still got to get off this little stuff right here, but that's simple. But that's the whole process, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, man, like I said before, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. That means a lot to me, man. And we almost at 1,000. So if y'all want that giveaway, man, go ahead and get me to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? I'm really trying to do something for y'all just to show my appreciation. But anyway, I'm about to head out, man. I got to go to work in a little bit, probably like 10 minutes. I don't even know what time it is anymore. But, man, I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. You already know what to do. God bless.